Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here for Paper Crafting with Enis, and I'm on today to do another What's Up Wednesday. And we are just starting on phase 2 of our home remodel. And you can see right here, the guys have taken off some of the carpeting there, and they've actually shaved the fronts of the stairs off because the new treads are going to go on. These need to be shorter for that to happen. So I'm going to take a walk downstairs. Give me a second. You have to be very careful because these steps are narrower now than they used to be. A little bit of carpet still on here. These pieces that are still carpeted are going to have custom pieces cut to go on there. You can see the stairs here. And I'm going to turn around and you can see here. So all of these are going to be all wood stairs. So yeah, there's the pile of stairs right there. They're not stained and they got to be trimmed down and cut still. But there you have it. What's Up Wednesday, phase 2 of the home remodel. Talk to you later, crafty peeps. Bye.